Welcome back to Spy Garage.
PREVOST's well-known engineering prowess in luxury coach chassis is combined with a greater focus on elegant design and aesthetic refinement in the recreational vehicle market to create the projected 2026 PREVOST Aesthetic Caravan Motorhome. This hypothetical model proposes a higher emphasis on the tactile and visual aspects of mobile life, building on PREVOST's well-established reputation for robustness and smooth ride quality. Sleek lines, balanced proportions, and high-end external finishes are anticipated to be incorporated into the 2026 PREVOST Aesthetic Caravan Motorhome's exterior design, going beyond strictly functional considerations. One could imagine well-thought-out exterior storage options that mix in well with the overall design, as well as integrated lighting systems that improve visibility and aesthetic appeal. Including big, panoramic windows would enhance the amount of natural light in the living areas and give the car a more contemporary, airy look. Inside, the aesthetic caravan distinction would be evident in a carefully designed space that prioritizes comfort and aesthetic appeal. The inside would probably be defined by high-end components like designer lighting, soft leathers in sophisticated colors, and custom cabinetry made from certain hardwoods. The arrangement would be carefully thought out to maximize flow and utility, possibly including separate areas for dining, lounging, and living, each with a smart and unified look. The overall atmosphere would be further improved by paying close attention to details in areas like ambient lighting, integrated entertainment systems, and the choice of high-end textiles. The word caravan implies a concentration on long distance, pleasant travel, along with luxurious amenities for independent life. A gourmet kitchen with the newest appliances, an opulent bathroom with premium fixtures, and a master suite with a relaxing layout are a few examples of this. A neat and tidy appearance would be maintained by the seamless integration of many and well-thought-out storage options throughout the living areas. PREVOST's sturdy chassis engineering, which guarantees a steady and comfortable ride, would form the foundation of this aesthetic improvement. An outstanding trip would be enhanced with sophisticated climate control systems, excellent sound insulation, and well-considered ergonomics. Even though the focus is on appearance, the PREVOST name's intrinsic quality and dependability would surely continue to be a pillar. Finally, as its name suggests, the 2026 PREVOST Aesthetic Caravan Motorhome aims to create a recreational vehicle that emphasizes design and aesthetic appeal without sacrificing the fundamental quality and practicality for which PREVOST is renowned. It alludes to a mobile living area that caters to affluent tourists who value both the trip and the setting in which they take it, combining elegant design with plush comfort. This hypothetical model shows how the high-end RV market might develop in the future, where engineering skill and aesthetics are valued equally.